Tungkol saan ang liwanag sa dilim, Alexa?
Well, hindi ko alam if may sumagot na kanina, but the story revolves around the character of Elsie, who is an orphan child, and sa journey niya, parang naging life mission niya yung matutunan niya kung ano yung past niya, kung ano yung buhay niya dati. And with all of that happening, doon niya mamimit yung character ko and yung character ng iba.
Which is, anong gagampanan mo?
I'm just a girl
Yes.
standing in front of Amanda. Sa ngayon, ang pwede ko lang pong sabihin ay, I am a girl.
Do you like doing theater stuff?
Well, I do. Of course, there are times na it can be very taxing then. It's very different kasi from mainstream TV. But I'm enjoying the process.
And also, are we looking forward to, seeing more of this theater this year? Or
Well, it's not something I've thought of pa eh. But kung saan naman po may trabaho, doon ako pupunta.
and also, are you releasing any song?
Not right now. I know I mentioned before that I will release an album, but I think I'm gonna put a pause on that and maybe focus on other things like this.
Is this one your second play?
Opo.
After wala
Yes, opo. Kaya, nerves are real.
two years in the making on the next one.
Well, after ko po kasi Walang Aray, nagkaroon po ako ng teleserye, yung Pera-Pero sa Paraiso. And ang dami na rin pong naging offers noon, like for Once on This Island, for other plays din. I was also invited. Hindi po ako nakaabot sa mga audition din nila kasi may taping, may shoot. So ito lang po talaga yung sumwak sa schedule and the timing. So I'm here.
Alexa, for this theater? Gano'n ka excited?
I'm very excited, of course. I'm always excited kasi hindi biro yung pusong binibigay ng bawat isa dito. Iba rin talaga the heart, the soul, the blood, sweat, tears, nabalian pa nga. Everything na binibigay namin. So of course, we're all so excited for people to see the fruit of our labor and love.
Alexa, I don't know if nababasa mo, pero comment mo lang na marami nang natutuwa at humahanga sa vocals mo. Nag-i-improve na daw talaga yung vocals mo since the day you started.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yun naman ang goal ko in life ay gumaling ng gumaling, humusay ng humusay, huwag maging pakampante. Always have to reinvent yourself, make sure you're better than your last work. So, thank you po.
So without spoiling, how challenging is doing it for you?
If I'm comparing it lang to the first, because I haven't really done a lot of theater. Ibang klaseng din kasi ito eh. Ibang klaseng hirap din siya eh. Actually, nung una, when I accepted the role, I thought it would be a lot easier than playing Julia. But now that I'm actually doing it, I'm rehearsing, mahirap pala siya. So it's quite challenging for me. Also, kasi madami kailangan bantayan. Especially with the songs of Sir Rico Blanco. I don't take it lightly talaga. It's something na I value na binigyan ako ng platform na makanta yung mga hits ng OPM legend natin na si Sir Rico Blanco. So of course, I wanna make good. I wanna be great.